Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Xiaomi Redmi A1 does have the fingerprint sensor. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics tab. Here's a Security, and we have a Screen Lock, Smart Lock, Device Admin Apps, but there's no fingerprint. So our last resort to finding it is to search through the settings. Here enter finger, but there's no results, and I would confirm that this device doesn't have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.